Bill of material is at the heart of your manufacturing operation, and this allows you to configure your production steps, raw material consumptions, as well as setting up machine run rates and related costs. This is a screen that you'll come to in MYOB Advanced to set up your initial BOMs and keep track of multiple revisions of your BOMs as well. The first section relates to work centers, utilized as well as operation setup times and run times, while the bottom portion relates to the raw material consumption at each step, including allowances for scrap. The screen gives us the ability to visualize all of this information and quickly update BOM and related routings. The example here is of fabricating a bicycle, which has 4 operations, and it also allows you to define multiple steps in each of the operations, such as this, and also allows you to store additional information such as diagrams or notes, which can aid your team. Furthermore, you can also keep track of tools, which can be part of the cost roll-up, as well as it also captures the number of uses of these tools, such as a die or mold, which can have a limited number of users and can be used to track that. We can also absorb overheads based on different types of cost drivers and basically charge that into the BOM and into a production run. We can also keep track of outside processes such as powder coating and also nominate the supplier and also manage the purchase orders related to that subcontract operation. Now, the BOM also allows you, in this example, to actually allow you to backflush material. In this case, you can opt to issue material automatically, such as nuts and bolts, and issue items which are of higher value, usually tracked by lot tracked manually. This means you can start with backflushing all the material and labor and roll out capture of the actual use on workstations as required. Once you've set up your bill of material, you can actually quickly run up a cost summary in the system, either for a particular lot size at a single component level or a multi-level. In this case, I can run a single level for one of these units, for one bicycle, and also quickly run a multi-level, which also rolls up all the subcomponents as well into the costing. Now, if I look at, I can still run this at a multi-level BOM report, which basically shows us a costed version of this in the system. And you can see it comes down to 3 levels at this stage in this example. MYOB Advanced Manufacturing also gives us the ability to see the nested BOM visually so that we can review each subassembly clearly in one screen by using this tree structure to cascade through each level while also viewing its related costs as set up in each bill of material.